Welcome to the enchanting Lavender Fields of Valensole, a place where nature's beauty and fragrance unite to create a breathtaking spectacle that captivates the senses and inspires the soul. As you step into this fragrant landscape, you'll find yourself immersed in a sea of purple that stretches as far as the eye can see. The Lavender Fields of Valensole, located in the heart of Provence, France, are a sight to behold. They come alive during the summer months, when the lavender blooms in full splendor. The air is filled with the sweet, soothing scent of lavender, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and serenity. Walking through the fields, you'll be surrounded by rows upon rows of lavender plants, their vibrant purple hues dancing in the breeze. The symmetrical patterns and undulating waves of lavender create a visual masterpiece that seems almost surreal. Can you feel the calming effect of this lavender paradise? The Valensole lavender fields are not just a treat for the eyes and the nose, they also play a crucial role in the production of lavender products. The region is known for its high-quality lavender essential oil, which is extracted from these very fields. It's a testament to the harmonious relationship between nature and industry. The lavender fields are not just a visual and olfactory delight, they are also a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and nature enthusiasts. The interplay of colors, the gentle swaying of the lavender in the breeze, and the backdrop of the Provençal countryside create a scene that invites contemplation and creativity. As you leave the Lavender Fields of Valensole, you'll carry with you the memories of their natural beauty, the soothing scent that lingers in the air, and the sense of wonder that comes from experiencing a place where nature's artistry is on full display. Valensole's lavender fields encourage you to reflect on the profound connection between nature and the human spirit. They stand as a reminder that moments of beauty and tranquility are all around us, waiting to be discovered, and that the simple pleasures of life, like the scent of lavender in the breeze, have the power to uplift our souls. So, as you continue your journey, let the spirit of Valensole's lavender fields inspire you to seek out moments of serenity, to appreciate the natural wonders that surround you, and to remember that beauty, in all its forms, has the ability to nourish the soul and awaken the senses.